I've been thinking, we've been so caught up in everything lately. I think we should plan something just the two of us. A little getaway, maybe?
A getaway? That sounds great. Where are you thinking? Somewhere quiet or more adventurous?
I was thinking somewhere quiet. Maybe a small cabin by the lake or something? Just to get away from everything for a bit. We haven't had time to ourselves in a while.
That actually sounds amazing. No distractions, just nature. When do you want to go?
How about next weekend? We can leave Friday after work, stay through the weekend, and come back Sunday evening. It'll be the perfect escape.
Sounds like a plan. I'll make sure to clear my schedule. I think we both need this. A weekend to recharge, with no emails or calls to worry about.
Exactly. Just time to relax, have some good meals, maybe go for a walk by the lake. Simple things, you know?
Yeah, and we can make it as chill as we want. Maybe we'll even try fishing or have a bonfire at night. I can already picture it.
That sounds perfect. I haven't had a bonfire in years. We could make s'mores and just enjoy the quiet. No rushing around, no deadlines.
And no responsibilities for a weekend. Just us, the stars, and some good food. It'll be like we're in our own little world.
You're excited now, huh? I can see that little grin on your face.
Who wouldn't be? A weekend away from everything sounds like heaven. Plus, it's been way too long since we've had time for just us.
I've been feeling the same way. We've been so busy lately, just focusing on work and the kids and everything. It'll be nice to just reconnect. No distractions. Just us.
I couldn't agree more. We definitely deserve this. I'm looking forward to some quality time, no stress, no rush.
I think it'll be really good for us. Just to have time to breathe, to remember why we enjoy spending time together. And we won't have to worry about anything else.
Exactly. It'll be nice to just be present. No phone calls, no emails. Just the two of us, enjoying the moment. I think it's what we need right now.
Well, it's settled then. Next weekend, we're off to the cabin. No work, no distractions. Just you, me, and some quiet time.
I love it. Can't wait to see you without the stress of the usual routine. I think we'll both come back feeling refreshed.
And I'll finally get to make s'mores again. It's been way too long.
I'm in for that. You can even make them with peanut butter if you want. Your version of s'mores is always better than the regular kind.
Well, you know how I like to make things a little different. But hey, if we're doing this right, we'll have no schedule, no rush. Just our time.
I couldn't agree more. Let's make this weekend all about enjoying each other's company, taking it slow, and having some fun. We both deserve that break.
It'll be perfect. Just the two of us, no pressures. I can't wait to unplug and just enjoy being with you.
Neither can I. Let's make it the best weekend we've had in a long time.
Agreed. It's going to be amazing. And I think this little break will be just what we need to recharge, both of us.
It's a date. I'm already looking forward to it. And when we come back, we'll feel refreshed, ready to tackle whatever comes next.
I'm counting down the days already. It's going to be perfect.
Wow, Lily, look at that sunset. It's so beautiful. The colors are incredible orange, pink, and just a hint of purple.
I know, right? It looks like something straight out of a painting. I'm so glad we decided to come to the beach today. It's been a while since we just relaxed like this.
It really has. Life gets so busy, you barely get a moment to just breathe. But here, it's like all the stress just melts away.
Exactly. The sound of the waves, the salty breeze, it's so calming. It's like the ocean has this magical way of making everything feel okay.
I could stay here forever. This is exactly what I needed.
Same. So, what's been going on with you lately? I feel like we haven't had a proper catch up in forever.
That's because we haven't. Work has been keeping me busy, but it's all good stuff. How's your new job going? You haven't talked much about it since you started.
It's okay, I guess. The work is interesting, and I'm learning a lot, but the hours are pretty intense. I'm still trying to figure out the right balance.
Yeah, that's tough. Starting something new always feels overwhelming at first. But you're one of the most hardworking people I know, so I'm sure you'll find your groove in no time.
Thanks, Emma. You always know how to make me feel better.
That's what friends are for, right? By the way, how's your team? Are they nice?
For the most part, yeah. There's this one coworker who's kind of competitive, but everyone else is pretty supportive. I think I just need more time to get used to everything.
Totally. New jobs always come with an adjustment period. You'll be fine.
I hope so. How about you? How's everything with your photography?
Oh, it's been amazing. I actually just landed a project with a travel magazine. They want me to shoot photos of coastal towns along the East Coast.
What? That's incredible. Congratulations. You've been dreaming about something like this for ages.
I know, right? It still feels surreal. I leave next month.
That's so exciting. You must be over the moon.
I am, but I'm also a little nervous. I've never done anything on this scale before.
You're going to crush it, Emma. Your photos are stunning, and this is exactly the kind of opportunity you deserve.
Thanks, Lily. I needed to hear that. You're seriously the best cheerleader.
Always. So, where's the first stop on your trip?
Charleston. I've heard it's so picturesque, with all the historic buildings and cobblestone streets. I can't wait to explore.
You're going to love it. The vibe there is so charming. Oh, and don't forget to try the shrimp and grits. It's a must.
Noted. Food recommendations from Lily are always top tier.
Of course they are. Speaking of food, do you want to grab something to eat? I saw a little food truck selling fish tacos nearby.
Fish tacos? You know I can't say no to that. Let's go before they close.
Perfect. But wait, let's take a selfie first. This sunset is too good to not capture.
All right, but make sure my hair isn't all crazy from the wind.
You look great, don't worry. Okay, say beach vibes.
Beach vibes.
Got it. Okay, now let's go eat.
Lead the way, Taco Queen.
Wait, Emma, before we go, let's promise to make time for more days like this. I miss just hanging out and talking about life.
Absolutely. We need more beach days, more sunsets, and definitely more tacos.
You've got it. Alright, let's go before the food truck runs out.
You're always thinking about food.
And you love me for it.
True. Let's go.
Hey, here we are again, working late on another proposal. Think we can finish it tonight?
If only we could. At this rate, we'd have enough overtime to fund a vacation.
True. But hey, teamwork makes the dream work, right?
Absolutely. What's our first focus for this proposal?
Let's start with market trends. The data is solid, but I think it could use a little pizzazz.
Sounds good. Visuals like charts or infographics could really help it pop. Our boss loves that.
I agree. Did you catch the email about the new client pitch next week? It's a big opportunity for us,
Yes, another major project. It feels like we're always on the go.
right? If this keeps up, I might start dreaming about PowerPoint slides.
PowerPoint nightmares are real. But you've been doing amazing work lately, especially on that last presentation.
Thanks! That means a lot. But let's not forget, you saved us by catching that budget error before it went out.
Teamwork at its finest. What's our angle for this proposal to make it stand out?
I was thinking of framing it around adaptive growth. It shows the client is proactive.
I love it. It's exactly the forward-thinking message we need. Let's add real-world examples too.
How about coastal enterprises? Their project showed how we adapted strategies quickly.
Great example. Plus, they saw a 40% boost in customer engagement. That's a solid metric.
Exactly. And we should mention competitors in the market analysis to show we're aware of the landscape.
Absolutely. Acknowledging others while showcasing our strengths is a smart approach.
That could easily be a motivational poster. What's next on our list?
Let's discuss the implementation timeline. I'm thinking a 6-month rollout.
That's doable, especially if we highlight our streamlined processes.
Right. And let's include a contingency plan. Clients appreciate knowing we've thought of everything.
Great point. Also, how about adding a sustainability section? Clients respond well to that.
Definitely. We can tie it into adaptive growth, showing sustainability as a smart strategy.
Now we're on the right track. What about deliverables? Any extras to add?
How about a bonus consultation session after implementation? It shows our commitment.
That's a solid idea. And let's include a client testimonial to build credibility.
I have a great one from North Point Logistics. They called us a game changer.
Perfect. That'll leave a strong impression. Ready to review everything tomorrow?
Absolutely. Same time works for me. Thanks for hanging in there tonight.